Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me XIAOMI Black Shark 5, and now I can show you how to install and how to set up free VPN on this device. So, firstly, let's check how websites see our location now before starting installing VPN service. So, open the browser and find here XIAOMI.io website. Thanks this website we can see how all websites in the network see our location. In my case it's Poland, it's Kraków, but now open your Play Store and find here TurboVPN application. This is the application with the rabbit and the icon. It has 100 million downloads, so just download this app and click open, click agree, click on the cross on the left top corner, and cool, fine. Here on the right top corner of the screen you can see the globe. By clicking on it you can choose the country to connect to. For example, if you want to connect to France, just click on France and choose free server without crown icon. So if you want to connect to Netherlands, you can connect to free servers. In Germany you have 3 free servers, or just choose smart location to connect to nearest and fastest server. Then click OK, wait a while, and cool, we are successfully connected. But where? Let's check it. So reload vp.io website, and as you can see we are in Georgia now. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.